A random call to a friend to know about her whereabouts is how this trek happened to me. She said she was leading the trek and fortunately few seats were available, so I was able to join her. I caught the local train from Kalyan to Kasara, and from there it is a 2.5 hour journey in a jeep to the base village. Trek starts from Shirpunje village. It is in Ahmednagar district and is around 75 kilometers from Kasara railway station. The trek was organized by Dongar Yatra. It was my first time traveling with these guys. It's a bit of an offbeat trek. What I mean with offbeat is it is not a very common trek. Not many people know about it, which actually made it more desirable for me. हम बेस विलेज पहुंचे कुछ सुबह के 4:30 को और थोड़ा रेस्ट किया यहाँ. ये है गणपत दादा का घर जो कि यहाँ के लोकल है. He arranges the stay and food for the travelers. His place is just where the trek starts. I don't think इतने पास में कोई और option है for food and stay. At least I didn't notice any. We had our breakfast by 5:30 and started our ascent to Ghanchakkar and Bhairavgad fort. It was pitch dark when we started the trek. But in summertime, it is always a good idea to start the trek as early as possible so that you can beat the heat. But हम थोड़ा सा लेट हो गए थे. 20-25 मिनट में ही सनराइज होने लगा और नज़ारे सुंदर. ये लैडर्स कुछ 2 साल पहले बने थे, जिस वजह से ये ट्रैक अब इजी लग रहा है, वरना द ओल्डर रूट वॉज अ बिट डिफिकल्ट. विद इन एन आवर वी रीच दिस खिंड बिटवीन भैरवगढ़ एंड घनचक्कर हिल. राइट वाला लैडर जाता है घनचक्कर के लिए, लेफ्ट वाला भैरवगढ़ फोर्ट के लिए. हम पहले गए भैरवगढ़ फोर्ट की तरफ. There are multiple Bhairavgads in Maharashtra. This Bhairavgad fort in Shirpunje is believed to be 2500 years old, which is in ruins now. It was built to keep an eye on various routes leading to different villages and neighboring forts. On the top of the fort, there are 23 kund, which were made to store water during those time, I guess. The major attraction here is the 2 caves at the top that host the shrine of Lord Bhairavnath. This is the main temple right at the edge of a cliff. यहाँ हर संडे सुबह पूजा होता है. काफ़ी लोकल्स यहाँ barefoot आते हैं. जब उनकी मांगी हुई कोई मन्नत पूरी होती है तो they trek all the way till the temple barefoot. We came a bit early so the puja hadn't begun yet. अच्छा, monkey is a bit of a troublemaker here, so packing everything in your backpack is a very good idea. Just 5 minutes hike from the main temple, there is another cave, which has 2 sections. One looked like a water tank, the other had Shivling and Bhairavnath idol in there. After admiring both the caves, we proceeded to the top of the fort, which for me is the best part of any trek. This one offers a panoramic view of several Sahyadri ranges. You can spot Harishchandragarh, Kalsubai Peak, Ratangad, and many others. It took us around an hour to explore the fort area. It was not enough. There are more to this fort, and to properly check all the places, it is better you keep more time in your hand. After Bhairavgad fort, we left towards Ghanchakkar hills. You see this little guy here? He's 8.5 years old and has already done 16 treks in Sahyadri. His dad has planned plenty more adventure for him this year. Isn't that great? Experiences like these will have such a positive impact on that kid's mind. Once you reach the top of this ladder, there is a plateau. From there, you can see the topmost part of Ghanchakkar hills. This hill is called Ghanchakkar because it is a complicated mountain with many tricky ridges. I read it somewhere, I'm not at all sure about it. Because locals said it's an easy walk of 1.5 to 2 hours. Maybe earlier the path might have been tricky. At the height of 1532 meter, Ghanchakkar is the third highest peak of Maharashtra after Kalsubai and Shaler. We didn't go all the way up, but it was a bad idea to skip. I think the view from there would have been amazing. We chilled at the plateau for some time and started our descent. While having a conversation with a fellow trekker, I came to know that just before Diwali, there is an annual Jatra that is organized here, where a lot of people participate. During that period, this place is so full that people stand on queue to visit Bhairavnath temple. So if you want to check out the view, not the queue, avoid planning this trek during Diwali. We reached the base, had our lunch and left for Kasara station. All in all, it's an easy trek with proper path to reach the summit. The view from the summit is magnificent. And just like any other treks of Maharashtra, best time to visit is always during or just after monsoon. That's all about this journey. Thank you for watching.